and he's just going to get better.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I think it bodes well for the season for him being up there mixing it up for second place. So
and we come back to
I'm gonna just ride this boat till the end.
It's fine, man.
back,
Yeah, I commend you.
we
Lights
go
on
back
fire.
to Jett moving through the pack. Anderson's going to toss it in on him, and how is he going to handle that? How is your boy Jett?
Oh,
gonna
he was-
handle
he
it
was
back
good.
into the
Jett went up and made contact with him to pass him back
but
for
he
the
didn't
lead.
get it back.
So he didn't need to get it
What's
back.
he going to do?
Fucking took off.
What's he going to do when he gets a green fender back into the side?
Probably
gonna
go
do?
back and hit him again.
What's he gonna do?
And then they're
I
gonna
don't
go
wanna-
back and
I don't
forth,
want to
and
see
somebody else
Jett.
is
I